Bluon also has calculators and diagnostic tools you can use. Each tool explains how to use the feature in the Field Notes section. Tap Tools and Calcs and choose a tool that's right for your business. Airflow Calculator provides a quick estimation of proper airflow versus nominal. Airflow Diagnostic allows you to diagnose high or low airflow and load issues with recommendations. Subcool Calculator provides subcool values for refrigerant systems. Superheat Calculator gives you superheat values for refrigerant systems. Target Superheat shows target superheat information for specific conditions. Ductulator calculates round and rectangular duct sizes for airflow requirements. Nitrogen Pressure Test provides pressure test results accounting for temperature changes. And Age and Warranty Decoder gives manufacturing age and warranty details by brand and serial number. You don't have to use all of these tools, but they are here if you need them. Bluon is a great tool for technicians in the field. To learn more and sign up, log in to wexfsm.com and navigate to Settings, Subscriptions, and select the Add-ons tab. Scroll down to Bluon to view options and pricing. Sign up and add Bluon to your WEX FSM subscription. Contact customer support if you have any questions.